इंडस्ट्री का शेयर आज आप लोगों ने देखा जो प्राइस है टुडेज तेज फ्लैटेस्ट मार्केट Q3 रिजल्ट के बाद 2026 का जो स्टॉक मार्केट का रिजल्ट आया है मार्केट परफॉर्मेंस आप लोगों ने देखा जो रिलायंस इंडस्ट्री का शेयर प्राइस दैट largely range bound in early trade as investor keep a close eye on the Q3 result 2026 अनाउंस कर दिया और आप लोगों ने देखा जो इन कैसे स्टॉक मार्केट टुडे द काउंटर शो म्यूट मूवमेंट रिफ्लेक्टिंग a weight and what smooth across Dalal Street. On Friday morning, Reliance Industries share price today opened flat at 1458.80 on the NSE का रिजल्ट जो है नेशनल स्टॉक एक्सचेंज का within minutes on the opening bell the stock moved slightly higher and touched an intraday high of 1472.50 marking a gain of nearly 0.50%. The upside, however, did not sustain for long. Profit booking and emerges as higher level, pulling the stock back toward the 1465 zone. The overall price action suggested hesitation and rather than strength of weakness classics pre-result behavior for a heavyweight stock. Key price move at a glance opening price 1458.80 intraday high 1472.50 intraday raised around 0.50%. Profit post profit booking level near 1465. The movement remained calm, keeping volatility in check during the early session. Main news investor hold back ahead of Q3 result 2026. The flat trade and Reliance Industries share price today clearly show one that thing investors are waiting. With Q3 result 2026 scheduled for raised, market participation avoided aggressive position in the broader stock market today. Reliance acts as a mirror of statement, cautious, massive and data-driven. There was no sharp build-up, no panic selling, just steady trades and selective profit booking at higher level. This behavior is often seen when clarity is expected from earnings rather than from market momentum. Reliance remains one of the most tracked stocks in the market. Even small moves tend to influence the broader indices. As a result, traders prefer to stay light until members confirm the direction.